Hello everyone, greetings from 7 Sense. Today I will be showing you how to enroll to Coditas job opportunity and other drives too. So you will be receiving a message about the job opportunity in your WhatsApp group, which will be containing the information about the job, and it will also have a registration link. When you press on the registration link, you will be redirected to this page. If you are seeing add to cart, then you have probably not logged in. You have to go to the login page. Here you have to put your placement's registered ID or the email ID you have given for placements. If you don't know the password, press on forgot password. An email will be sent to your mail. So if you check your mail, you would have received a mail from 7 Sense. Go inside the mail and click on this link. It will redirect you to the page where you can change the password. You can put the password which you like. And press submit. Then click on go to login page. Now you put your new password and click on login. As soon as you log in, you will be getting the message called wish you very luck. Close that message. And now in my courses, you will be finding your college name, the package. If you go inside that, you will be finding Coditas. And if we have added other drives too, it will be appearing here. So go inside the Coditas, where you find all the information about the job. First tab is updates. You can subscribe to the Telegram channel and YouTube channel for more updates about the company, the designation, the job description, educational qualification, expectation from the candidate, skills required, date of joining, mode of joining, job location, salary, and the interview process. And the next step is an important one. You have to upload your CV, which is in PDF format. Press on choose file, show all files, and select your CV. Click on open. Your CV is uploaded. Press on submit assignment. Your assignment has been submitted. Next, you go to the registration form, where you will find the Google form and fill each and every details in the Google form. For example, your mail ID, your placement registered mail ID. Both these mail IDs can be same. Your roll number as of the college, your full name, your mobile number, your current location, the city, and the degree which you are pursuing, branch, college name as listed here. If you don't find your college here, press on others and mention the college name in the next question. Passing year and post-graduation college name and location, if at all you have done post-graduation, or you can skip these three questions. Your 10%, your degree percentage, 12th percentage, and post degree percentage if you have completed any, or else you can specify it as NA, and rate your skills in communication, Java, .NET, and every other programming language required for the job. There's a question, are you ready to work in Pune? You'll be putting yes. And if you have any certified in any programming language or any course in Java, yes, I'm aware of the agreement, and I hereby declare the information is true, pressing yes, and press on submit. As soon as you submit, the registration will be confirmed and your response will be recorded. So if you want to apply for other opportunities, you can go back to course and you will find inside the college. The other course will be, for example, I'll be showing you 2021 placement opportunities. So there are 274 opportunities as of now. It will keep adding up like this. You can go inside any opportunity and apply for it. And if at all you are getting an error message like account not exists or any other queries, please fill the Google form which is in the description or send with the message. Thank you.